Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to the channel. So friends, this video is related to Infosys breaking news, date of joining deferment. There is the mail update that is received by so many candidates from Infosys team yesterday, and this is for the both role like system associate, system engineer. So what about the new joining? You are waiting for new joining as well as that is the queries that is related to this. So this is regard to the offer of employment extended to by Infosys Limited dated 26 December. So basically December 26, 2022 is the offer letter date. So in this video we will discuss about all the important updates. So this is not an extended joining date because one of the most important point, if the extended joining date mail is this, like this type of mail is the extended joining date mail, like the previously joining date is from 27 February to 2022 May. So what does it what does it means basically? उनका ये मेल भेजने का क्या मतलब है एंड बेसिकली वो कहना क्या चाहते हैं, बेसिकली इन्फोसिस टीम आपको क्या अपडेट देना चाहते हैं, व्हाट इज द इंपॉर्टेंट अपडेट्स, लेट्स डिस्कस. So basically this type of mail, date of joining deferment offer update to candidates. This is regard to the offer of employment extended to you by Infosys Limited dated 26 December 22. Please note that company has decided to defer your date of joining set out in the offer letter. The revised date of joining will be communicated you to in the due course. So means 26 दिसंबर 2022 को जो आपको ओएल दिया गया था, बेसिकली जो ऑफर लेटर आपको दिया गया था उसमें जो ज्वाइनिंग डेट है उसको यहाँ पर डिफर किया जा रहा है, उसको यहाँ पर हटाया जा रहा है. सो बेसिकली देयर इज अ पॉइंट दैट इन द 26 दिसंबर 2022 ऑफर लेटर दे आर डिसाइडेड टू डिफर योर डेट ऑफ ज्वाइनिंग. ओके, व्हाट दे मेंशन इन द ऑफर लेटर. So this is not means that they are cancelling your my joining date and in the next upcoming month they will give you new joining date, because that is not related to the extended joining offer letter. This is the important point. If they extend the joining letter to 22 May to new date, so they will mention in this mail, but they even not mention any single point is this mail. They are only mention that they are deferred to your date of joining set out in the offer letter and the revised date of joining will be communicated in the due course. Means in the upcoming days or in the upcoming phase they will send you the new joining date. Okay, because one of the most important point, most candidates training is completed and Infosys team is planning to take the remaining candidates. Okay, so if you are waiting, if you are from any month like April month, June month, in any month you got the selection mail, there is a chances of onboarding in the upcoming phases, there is a chances of joining in the upcoming phases. All the other terms and conditions set out in the offer letter remains unchanged. Okay, because there is no change in the offer letter. However, all the employment benefits as per company policy which are subject to change from time to time, it's a totally depends on them. Okay, this is the very important point. You have to respond to this email communication by April 5, 2022 to confirm your acceptance to the revised joining date. If you fail to respond to this email communication, they will be assumed that you have accepted the revision to your date of joining. Okay. According to my research and I talked to so many candidates, so basically they are not extending the joining date of my candidates. Okay, they are just taking the survey of candidates related to the joining. Okay, so you are in the mail. Okay, in the mail there is a subject mention that yes I accepted this. Okay, yes I accept this. So if there is no subject, there is no point mention, so you have to just reply to this mail, yes I am interested or yes I accept this. So this is the process. Okay, so if you not respond to this email, so basically they will assume that you are accepted the revision to your date of joining. There is chances of new joining in the upcoming phase. Okay, don't worry about that. So many candidates ask this query that the joining date is extended, I think, but according to this mail I don't think so like they are extended your joining date. They are only sending the new joining date and they are defer to set the joining date in the offer letter. Okay, this is the mail update. If you are from any like any like batch like 21 22 batch, as well as if you are waiting from so many month, the joining is in the upcoming phase. Don't worry about that. I understand, but as we all of know that the situation is worst this time, so these things happen. But don't worry about that. Infosys team is regularly updating the new joining date according to the timelines, as well as there are so many good opportunities on our channel, as well as you can apply for the opportunities through other channel also. Okay, don't worry about that. And if you have any doubt, let me know that in the comment section. Like and share the video with your friends. Thanks for watching the video.